Welcome, everybody, to Dallas Personal Robotics Group Robot Builders Night Virtual for Tuesday, May 19th, 2026. Tonight, we will do our normal presentation projects and then open it up for roundtable discussions. A little bit of housekeeping. Saturday, DPRG is hosting Roborama 2026. It will take place at the Dallas Makerspace. And events include Quick Trip, Line Following Advanced, Barrel Racing, 6-Can, Foursquare, and Sumo. Promises to be a fantastic event, so be there, bring a robot, participate, or just watch. Then we have Texas Robot Combat coming up. Robot Rodeo 2026 will take place on Saturday, May 30th. Events include fighting open ants, plastic ants, and open beetles. Free for all ages of the public. Fights start at 10:30 a.m. Be there early for best seating. And that's hosted by Rev Robotics in Carlton, Texas.
So is that in lieu of our meeting then?
The 30th?
No, that's separate. It's the week after.
That's the week after.
Oh, okay. Week after.
Saturday is our this coming Saturday is Roborama, and the following Saturday is the Robot Rodeo.
Oh, I thought it was next month for some reason. I don't know why. Okay,
And then Moon Day 2026 will take place July 18th at the Frontiers of Flight Museum. DPRG is looking for volunteers to attend and to show off projects.
Yep.
So I know there's several people that will be going. Reach out to, I think, Mark or Doug.
Yep, reach out to me.
And if you're interested in going, and they can help coordinate some events.
Yep, it's going to be good.
Okay. Well, up first, we have Trish. She will give us an update on her teams, several teams competitions, I guess.
Yes. So everybody knows I'm from Luxury Robotics, and we ended up taking 3 teams to the VEX Worlds competition. So the way that the Worlds competition works is they have around 860 teams that show up, and they split it up into 10 different divisions. And each division has around 85 teams in that division. And the first 2 days, all of the teams compete against each other to win their divisions. And then at the end of the 2 days, the winners of the divisions, they fight. They don't fight. They compete against each other in kind of what they call the dome. And it's like a really cool setup where they've got a really cool light show, and there's about 1 million people that show up to this competition every year. And we had, like I said, I took 3 of my teams. So out of the 10,000 teams that competed, 3 of my teams made it to the 850, 860 or so teams at the World's competition. And 2 of our teams made history for our district. And depending on who you asked, they made history for Texas, because both of our teams, they made it to the finals of their division. And one of our teams, 1082M, they actually won their division, and they made it to the dome. And they made it all the way to the semifinals of the entire World Championship. So they finished in the top 8 teams in the country. In the world, not the country, in the world. So that was super exciting for all of us.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you. And we were the only public school team that actually made it to the dome. Usually it's private teams that make it to the dome that have a much larger budget than we do. And they have a lot more availability and opportunities to travel and compete against better teams. So it was just a really cool experience for our school. And that's it.
That's amazing. That is fantastic.
It is very, very good. Congratulate yourself and your teams for that.
Mm-hmm.
That's fantastic.
And the 2 teams that made it the furthest are the teams that are going to go to Moon Day. So they're going to take their world spots. And we've got about 7 students that are going to come so they can talk about their robots and how they came up with their designs and how they work and all that kind of stuff.
Brilliant. Awesome.
Cool.
And Mark, do we know who the point of contact or the person who's going to be in charge from our side is?
Currently not yet. I'm going to get a list of names of who's going, and then we can talk between ourselves. But I say I'll help up until the day. But
Okay,
yeah.
so I did have a question. Our school actually got a new coach this year, and I think that she is part of the reason that our teams did so well. And she's actually a lot more involved than our other coaches, and she wanted to come too. Could she?
Sure.
Too?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. More the merrier.
Yeah, they're welcome. If they want to go to Moon Day, they're welcome to go by. And then if they want to join the DPRG on Robot Builders Night Virtual, they can do that as well.
Bonus. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Trish.
Thank you for letting me brag about them. I love talking about my teams.
Well, I'm looking forward to it for a few weeks since I heard you guys did well.
Mm-hmm. A worthy brag.
Yes.
So do you have any videos?
So I don't have any videos because I was actually a judge there, so I was not allowed to have a camera there. And as a matter of fact, my son is on the team that did really well, and I got in huge trouble for cheering in my judge's uniform, and I got kicked out.
Oh. Shame on you, Mama.
I guess it's sort of a reason to cheer, not an excuse to cheer. You have a son there, even though it's forbidden.
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, that's the end of our presenters tonight. So it's a quiet night. It's so far it's the calm before the storm on Saturday.
Oh, is everybody getting ready? So do you think that's where what everyone's doing?
Possibly.
Yeah.
Or everybody's just burnt out from getting ready.
Nobody wants to spill the secret sauce, or they're frantically programming. So I guess we'll open it up to the floor. If there's any questions, comments, items of interest.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's see if I can find it.
Ray's going to dig something up for us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like I think Doug pointed out, Micro Center has some of the PyDog robot kits and some of their other kits as well on a pretty good sale at the moment.
Oh, yeah, I need to swing by there and see what they got. Might try and get by there tomorrow.
Yeah, they're right by the entrance and the first set of shelves.
Yeah. The promotion shelves.
And most of them are have some pretty good discounts on them. I was by there the other day because they finally got some Pi 02s back in stock.
Oh.
So I grabbed some before they disappeared again.
What's the price on the Pi 02 lately?
$17.99 for the one with headers. Is what I think I paid for them there.
That's not terrible.
There it is.
Considering the price of the other pies, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, true that. True.
I just read tonight that there's a shortage of PCBs. It's the latest
Oh boy.
thing to hit us for lack of chemicals required to build them,
Process them.
process them, that sort of thing. So the Strait has managed to block some of that stuff needed.
What? Oh,
Fun.
what's the chemicals for the semiconductor? Oh, it's helium gas, isn't it?
Helium is one of the big ones for semiconductor.
That's
Well, you just happened to mention it, but my neighboring province happens to have billions of pounds of helium.
ooh.
It's just north of you guys in Saskatchewan.
Yep. The U.S.'s main reserve for helium is in Moab, Utah. just outside of Moab, Utah, in the LaSalle Mountains.
Okay.
That's where 75% of the U.S.'s helium used to come from.
Used to, yeah. Okay.
I don't know if it still does. My father's not running the plant anymore.
Let's see if this is it.
We're eagerly waiting, Ray.
Yeah, it was kind of neat. I'm not finding what I need, though. I want what the thing looks like. And it's not coming up. Okay, no, that's DF Robot. Get this stupid thing here. Maybe I'll just look on DF Robot. Come website. Okay. W6005. Okay, let's see if cut that out. Okay. I think I finally found it. Okay, I'm gonna try to share here. Okay. All right, I think that's the one. Yeah, so this is it's a dot matrix. Let's see if I can. I guess I can't scroll there. Huh.
Dot matrix printer? What?
Nope. I found, okay. Let's see if they have, okay, default.
Matrix.
There we go. That's probably what I should have shown. Okay, I'm going to get out of this.
3D laser rangefinder.
Yeah, it's actually kind of neat if I can get to show it to you. There it is. Nope, that's got to be it. Okay, share. Okay. Oh, God, you can't scroll on the window. Okay, what are we seeing here? Cut that out.
There we go. Well,
okay. Is that showing it?
Yep.
Okay. Anyway, it's a 64 by 8 matrix, and you can pick a single line of 64, which I thought was kind of neat. Looks like it's good for up to 5 meters, which is pretty good. 120 by 20 field of view, 120 degrees horizontally, which, you know, a lot of them are much narrower than that. So $45, but they're back ordered. So nobody seems to have any stock in it. But I thought it was kind of a neat thing, you know, talking about laser rangefinders and, you know, this would be, you know, I think they said for a single line, you can do up to 64 frames per second. So a whole lot faster than a mechanical rotating LiDAR.
Yeah, 3 of them would give you the 360. Yeah.
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 If you got $150 or so. But yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. It
There's one on Amazon. No, there's some on Amazon, but they're selling for $221.
Yike. Yeah.
A little bit of markup there.
Yep. Yeah, I checked. I don't want to say it was Mouser, and I think the other one was DigiKey or something. I forget who their distributors were. But yeah, I thought it was kind of neat.
I note the AliExpress price is higher than DF Robot as well.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
unusual.
Huh. Does it look similar, or does it look like a good copy of it? Or
I didn't look at the picture. I just did a quick Google search.
oh, okay, yeah.
Prices are always lower when they're out of stock.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. It seems like on AliExpress, if they have zero stock, there's some outrageous price. I don't know what that's all about.
I don't know about you guys, but for us, DF Robot is unaffordable for shipping.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, DHL, I believe, is their only option to Canada, and they're like, you look at shipping for like $45 and stuff like that.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
So that would give you, if you put 3 of them, that would give you 92 segments in 360 degrees.
92?
Or 192, sorry.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. I've seen other devices that are similar to that, but not with that field of view. And, be kind of nice to select, have it select just one line. You could pick which line it was, so it lines up with your, field of view of the camera, maybe looking down or looking up or whatever to catch walls and, other obstacles and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm holding out for the color time of flight sensor. Color LiDAR.
Hey, it's a video.
Oh, she got a video? Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, sorry to butt in. One of the kids made a recap video, so it's kind of some clips of some of their matches.
Cool.
Yeah.
Interesting sensor, Ray.
Yeah, that was all I had. If I saw that, I thought, I'd like to buy that.
Estimate expected restock June 21.
Yeah.
Is that 2021?
Anyway.
Should we try to play the video that Trish put up?
Yeah. Why not?
See.
So you have an 8x8 matrix as well as a 64x8 matrix. It's half the price, but half the range as well, and half the field of view.
Yeah. I
Just
kind
get
of thought
two.
those were simple to the Polulu ones,
Yep.
but it seems like they were in that price range. And I forget what the part number for the 8x8 one is. It's either a something 7 or something 8. Man.
L5, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what you're saying. Yeah. The
I will see
VL53, blah, blah, blah.
Yep.
That's
Okay.
really all. Those are fun sensors. All right.
I'll
Movie
play
time.
the video, see if you guys can hear it.
Okay. No.
Nothing yet.
Hearing anything?
Nope.
Nope.
They just put music over it, so that you can actually
Oh,
hear
okay.
what's going on in the game anyway.
Okay, well then I'll just mute it at this end. And
Add some commentary, Pat.
it's gobbling
nice.
up just like Pac-Man.
Like some nature show here. And here's the blue one coming up to.
Ooh,
Whoa.
reloaded.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're
so-
handing it off to a partner robot?
So the way that they play this game is that there's two alliances. There's a red alliance and a blue alliance. And for the qualification matches, they're matched up randomly. So they never know who they're going to be playing with or against for the qual matches. So they constantly have to change their strategy based off of what their partner's good at and if their partner's any good. And so for this game, obviously, they're trying to get their blocks into the goals, and they're trying to take control of the goals.
Okay.
And my team's bot is one of the blue ones. The blue.
No.
Stop. That was the one match that they lost. Their battery disconnected.
Ah,
Is that a legal ploy? You can just come in and snip the battery leads or something? No.
So it had been kind of loose all day long, and they thought they got it fixed, and it wasn't.
dang.
Oh, lost the chain.
Yeah,
Robots
you'd be
are losing
surprised
parts.
the amount of shrapnel that's left over after a few hours of these matches.
Yeah, they look to be fairly aggressive, bumping into each other, and
Yes. Yeah, this one's a pretty defensive game.
So this is
That's some really good
that's
drivers,
right.
though.
Yeah, the drivers are really good.
yeah.
so is the goal to get a ball inside the center area on the yellow beam?
Mhm.
Well, you get points for having blocks on the beams, but you get more points if they're in between the two white lines. And
Okay.
the center goals in the middle, those are worth more points.
Okay.
So they're really trying to take control of the goals in the middle. And that's our driver right there in the white jersey.
Oh wow, he limbs a lot faster.
Yeah, this game, this is one oh man, it was a real nail biter. Like you would never know. You would think that your team just had it in the bag, and then in the last 10 seconds, it could totally change.
Mm. My balls, not my balls.
Yeah, and they tend to modify the rules right before World starts. So if there's things that teams have kind of figured out that are kind of almost workarounds or cheats, like blocking the goals and things like that, they'll change it like days before World. So they think they've got their strategy worked out, and they have to change the whole thing.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Ooh.
So how big are these? Are they like 18 by 18 or something?
Yeah, about like that. They're the same size as the smaller first spots, like FRS spots. I can't remember what the smaller first spots are called. And this is where they've made it into the dome. And so everybody comes to like one part of the convention center. That's who their alliance partner was for when they're in the dome. And yes, that poor kid wore that unicorn costume the whole week.
Oh. Or was it the same kid? No.
You know what? It might not have been.
That's cool.
That was excellent.
Yeah, that was so fun. And the Secretary of the Air Force showed up and chatted with our team for a while, and he was actually working on the field where my kids competed a couple of times, and they get to be in the Air Force recruiting video now.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
Yeah. Anyway, yep, no breaks. We had a break for a couple of days, and now it's time to get started for next year.
So Air Force recruiting video, is that for guys that pilot drones or something?
It was for robotics. They had a bunch of different robotics things in there, and Vex just happened to be one of them.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. Thanks for sharing that, Trish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I love showing them off. They're just so cool.
Well, we love to promote roboting, no matter where it comes from,
Yep.
and we especially like the kids' teams because that's where our future is.
That's right.
So does anyone else have something to present or topic to discuss tonight?
Oh, I just linked a sensor in the chat that came across my desk recently that was kind of interesting. It's an image sensor that has built-in time of flight behind it. So it's basically a camera view with built-in time of flight.
Okay, another one.
Interesting.
This one's just the raw chip. It came across my DigiKey feed.
Okay, that's just a raw chip in several different versions.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at it. I'm on the Canadian site, DigiKey Canada, and it's around 100 or above or below $100.
Yeah, I think it's 64 on the US site.
So that's about right then.
It looks like a fun chip.
I was going to say, try prototyping a ball grid array. Yeah. Thank God for companies like Polulu and,
Yep.
I'm sure they could put it down on a proto board and make it work, but
2 lasers up to 200 megahertz. I'm trying to get.
So it basically gives you a grayscale image as well as a time of flight to the pixel.
Okay.
That's what I understood anyway.
Yeah, I was looking for. Is there anything on field of view?
I thought it was similar to it's like 120 by something, I think. I was trying to find it and then I wasn't pulling up the data sheet again.
Okay. Advanced 3.5 micrometer pixel stacked ESI technology. 1.2 megapixel CMOS smart ITOF sensor.
yeah. Probably a camera manufacturer would be interested in that, but I don't know, for the average Joe, boy, that's a
So
I didn't say it was going to be usable. I said it looked interesting.
uh-huh. Yeah, Mark, I tried to put this thing around my neck, but we just fell over. So she's our adopted dog here.
Yeah. Sweet little him. Yeah, someone used to be a lap dog. She's a shoulder dog.
Well, guys, are we out of topics for the night already?
God, we might be.
Surprising. Nice.
Okay.
All righty.
Well, I guess we will call it
Mhm.
and look forward to seeing everybody on Saturday.
Saturday. Yes, sir.
See you
Have fun and
Saturday.
good luck, everyone.
All right, bye. See you on Saturday.
See you guys.
Bye, y'all.